Hello. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the key elements of the Activity tab. During the tutorial, I'll show you the different activity templates available in Designbuilder, the key data input options in the Activity tab, and some basic information on time schedules. The Activity tab allows you to define the usage of zones, including information on occupancy.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.